Buying stocks at support levels can be a part of a well-rounded investment strategy. However, it's important to note that no strategy guarantees success in the stock market, as it involves inherent risks. That being said, here are some considerations and steps you can take when buying stocks at support levels. 1. Identify the support level. The support level is a price level at which the stock has historically had difficulty falling below. You can identify support levels by analyzing price charts, looking for areas where the stock has previously bounced back or shown consistent buying pressure. 2. Perform fundamental analysis. Before buying any stock, it's essential to research and evaluate the underlying company's fundamentals. Look at factors such as the company's financial health, earnings growth, competitive position, industry trends, and management team. Strong fundamentals can provide additional confidence in a stock's potential for a rebound. 3. Analyze market conditions. Consider broader market conditions and trends. Are the overall market and sector in an uptrend or a downtrend? It's generally safer to buy stocks at support levels in an upward trending market. 4. Confirm the support level. Verify that the stock is indeed trading at a support level by observing multiple indicators, such as moving averages, trend lines, or other technical analysis tools. The more confirmations you have, the stronger the support level. 5. Monitor trading volume. Pay attention to the trading volume at the support level. An increase in volume can indicate stronger buying interest and potentially validate the support level. 6. Set entry and exit points. Determine your entry and exit points before making a trade. Decide the price at which you will enter the position and the price at which you will sell if the stock doesn't rebound as expected. Setting stop-loss orders can help limit potential losses if the stock continues to decline. 7. Risk management. Consider your risk tolerance and allocate an appropriate portion of your portfolio to any single investment. Diversification across different stocks and sectors can help mitigate risk. 8. Patience and discipline. Be patient and avoid impulsive decisions. Stocks may take time to rebound, and it's important to stick to your strategy and not let emotions dictate your actions. 9. Regularly review and adjust. Continuously monitor the stock's performance and adjust your strategy accordingly. If the stock fails to rebound as expected, be prepared to exit the position and re-evaluate your investment thesis. Certainly, here are some additional points to consider when buying stocks at support levels. 1. Technical analysis tools. In addition to identifying support levels, technical analysis offers various tools to assist in decision-making. These tools include trend lines, moving averages, oscillators, such as the relative strength index, and chart patterns, such as double bottoms or triangles. Utilizing these tools can provide additional confirmation of a stock's potential rebound. 2. Multiple time frames. Analyzing support levels on multiple time frames can provide a broader perspective. For example, a stock may be bouncing off a support level on a shorter-term chart but could be in a downtrend on a longer-term chart. Considering multiple time frames can help validate the support level and determine the overall trend. 3. Catalysts and news events. Look for potential catalysts or upcoming news events that could impact the stock. Positive news, such as new product launches, partnerships, or strong earnings reports, can act as triggers for a stock to rebound from a support level. Conversely, negative news can invalidate the support level and lead to further decline. 4. Position sizing. Determine the appropriate size of your position based on your risk tolerance and the stock's volatility. Avoid overexposing yourself to a single stock, as unexpected market movements can lead to significant losses. Consider diversifying your portfolio across different stocks, sectors, and asset classes. 5. Confirmation from other indicators. Use additional technical indicators or complementary analysis methods to confirm the support level. These can include volume indicators, trend analysis, candlestick patterns, or Fibonacci retracement levels. The more indicators that align with the support level, the higher the probability of a successful rebound. 6. Learn from historical patterns. Study past instances when the stock bounced off support levels. Look for similarities in price patterns, trading volume, or market conditions. Understanding historical patterns can help you make more informed decisions and improve your ability to recognize opportunities. 7. Monitor risk-to-reward ratio. Assess the risk-to-reward ratio before entering a trade. Determine your potential profit target and compare it to the potential downside risk. A favorable risk-to-reward ratio increases the probability of a successful trade. 8. Consider time horizons. Determine your investment time horizon when buying stocks at support levels. Are you looking for a short-term bounce or a long-term investment opportunity? Adjust your strategy and expectations accordingly. 9. Continuous learning and adaptation. The stock market is dynamic, and market conditions can change quickly. Continuously educate yourself, stay updated on market trends, and adapt your strategy accordingly. Learn from your successes and failures to refine your approach over time. Selling stocks at resistance levels can be a prudent strategy to lock in profits or mitigate potential losses. Here are some steps to consider when implementing this strategy. 1. Identify the resistance level. Analyze the price chart of the stock to identify significant resistance levels. These levels are typically formed at previous peaks where the stock has struggled to move higher. 2. Confirm resistance with indicators. Utilize technical indicators like moving averages, trend lines, or oscillators to confirm the resistance level. These indicators can provide additional evidence of the stock's struggle to move beyond a certain price point. 3. Set a target price. Determine your desired selling price based on the resistance level. Consider setting it slightly below the resistance to ensure a higher likelihood of execution. 4. Establish a stop loss. Determine the level at which you would like to exit the position if the stock price moves against your expectations. Setting a stop loss helps limit potential losses and protects your capital. 5. Monitor trading volume. Pay attention to the trading volume as the stock approaches the resistance level. High trading volume can indicate increased selling pressure, strengthening the resistance and providing further confirmation for your decision to sell. 6. Consider time frames. Assess the stock's performance across different time frames. If the resistance level appears strong on shorter time frames like daily or weekly charts, it increases the significance of that level. 7. Be patient and disciplined. Wait for the stock price to approach or touch the resistance level before executing the sell order. Avoid premature selling based on speculation or emotions. It's important to stick to your strategy and not let short-term price fluctuations dictate your actions. 8. Monitor market conditions. Keep an eye on overall market conditions and news that may impact the stock you're selling. Sudden market shifts or unexpected events could influence the effectiveness of resistance levels. Certainly. Here are some additional details to consider when selling stocks at resistance. 1. Multiple time frame analysis. Besides analyzing the resistance level on the time frame you are trading, it's helpful to examine the stock's price action on multiple time frames. This can provide a broader perspective on the significance of the resistance level and help validate your selling decision. 2. Volume analysis. While monitoring trading volume, look for signs of divergence. If the stock price approaches the resistance level with decreasing volume, it could suggest weakening selling pressure and indicate a potential breakout. On the other hand, a surge in volume near the resistance level might reinforce the strength of resistance. 3. Thanks for watching.